everybody. Good morning. My name is Jennifer. Welcome to Forsan Pack Machinery. Today I'm going to introduce this whole set of machines for filling the nails, screws, fasteners into the cartons. And this whole set of machine consists of 4 parts. First is the zip tie containers for the nails, and multi-hand strainer, support platforms, and filling fastener milling machine. Okay, I will introduce each part one by one and let you know more detail. Okay, let me introduce the first part, zip tie container for the fastener to you. And this container is for transport the fasteners from the ground to the top of the wainer. You could put the fastener into this storage hopper. And this storage hopper takes 15 to 80 grams per, and then it will vibrating the nails into each transport hopper. You could see the details of each transport hopper one by one and transport to the wainer. Hi, let's go to the second part, then upstairs. Okay, now we are on the support platform, and I want to introduce the second part, multi-hand strainer. The zip tie container will transport the fasteners from here, in vibration plane, and also there is a sensor to identify the fasteners. If it is not enough fasteners, it will send a signal to the zip tie container and to transport much fastener to here. And the main vibration plate will change the fastener to this storage hopper and then go to the wainer hopper. When there are 2 or 3 wainer hoppers get their weight meet the target weight, they will output together and fill to the filling hopper. Okay, this is the touch screen of the wainer. It controls the multi-hand strainer. You could set the different fronts in here. First, choose the language, Chinese, English, and insert the password. This is the home page. We could run. Now, here is the target weight is 400 grams. We could change the target weight in here. Parameter set up. Here is the target weight. You could change 500 grams. And then run. When you choose, there will be displayed 500 grams. Okay. This one is the support platform. It supports the wainers on here. The worker also can walk on the platform to check the wainer working. And after the filling is finished, the worker can wash the wainer on the platform. Okay, the worker could open the cartons and put on here this container, and the container will transport each carton to here. You could see there is a sensor. It will identify the cartons and it will push these functions to let it stop and waiting for the filling. And this is the filling hopper to fill the nails into the cartons. If customer has the requirements for the nails must be in order, this hopper also could decide to the vibrating to shade the nails and then output to the pattern. You could see the nails is in order. More importantly, there is a stop function to let the carton to stop to filling. And then after each carton is filling, the cartons will be transported to these collecting tables. The workers could close the cartons on the platform. Okay, let's switch on this machine and you could see it more clearly. I believe you know more detail about our filling line machines for the fasteners filling machine. And if you have any questions on this concept of machines, you can contact the following our website to contact us. Our professional sales managers will contact you online 24 hours.